Hi, patron Belmer. This is your librarian, Diane. I saw your email and I wanted to address how to sign up your daughter for the virtual homework help. So you're going to navigate to our website, sanjosepubliclibrary.org. Off of the main page, you will scroll down and locate virtual events, which is right here. You will select that, and then it will take you to all of the virtual events that we have. And you want to select upcoming virtual programs. And through here, we will select kids, and then select preteens. And here you will see the different events that we have. And then on the right hand side, you will find a specific date and block where we have the availability. For example, here we have math tutoring, homework help. You would just select that specific event, and then here on the right hand side it would say register. This particular one is waitlisted, so you can add yourself to the wait list, and all you would need to do is enter your information here and then join the wait list. There is an alternate way to access the events. So if you go back to the main page and select About Us, right here under Stay Connected, if you select Blogs, and then you will scroll down, here you will enter Virtual Homework Club, click Search. It will take you to that particular blog, which is here. And then on to the bottom of this blog, you will see this green event button. You'll click that. This will take you specifically to the search of Virtual Homework Club, and then you will see actually the other events coming up in the future that are not currently waitlisted. So for example, Monday, September 13th, you could click on that, and then you can register your daughter there.